Ano yun, campfire? Tignan nga natin to. Hello sa mga kabads, ako nga pala si Arky at tayo ngayon ay maglalaro ng Home Alone. At kahapon, nag-record ako, inedit ko na din yun. Hindi ko pala na-edit kasi sayang talaga yung kahapon kasi maganda talaga yun. Talagang ginawa ko yung best dun para lang makasaya kayo. Kaso nga lang, nakalimutan kong i-turn on yung boses, kumbaga, yung gameplay lang yung naririnig pero kahit magsalita ako, walang maririnig. So, sana hindi ko na ulit yun makalimutan sa susunod. Turn off ko lang kasi yun dahil pina-turn off kasi sa akin eh. So, ayun, enough na ang usapan. Bago natin simulan, huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. At ayun, let's start Home Alone. Okay, so one player lang tayo ngayon. One player lang yung hahanin natin ngayon. Ano yun, campfire? Tignan nga natin to. Okay, so simple jump scare lang yun. Hindi naman masyadong nakakagulat. Okay, so pwede palang umano dito. Mag-solo muna tayo kasi wala naman tayong kasama.
I have to leave for the night. I'll be back at 6 a.m. You'll be okay.
Okay, so
I left chores on the board. You need to earn your allowance money before I get home. If someone knocks, don't open right away. Look through the front door glass.
isip ko na kaya ito baka kasi maka-operate ako yan o kaya magsalita lang ako paulit-ulit basahin nyo na lang para
Help the people
naintindihan
who
nyo para
really
yun.
need it, and you'll earn your
So
allowance
lang talaga
money.
to, wala akong alam sa game na to,
Let the
naganap
wrong
lang ako
ones
nito
in,
sa ng
and
Rabdo.
you'll know. If something doesn't look or sound right, turn off the porch light and they'll leave. Have a good night. Take care of the house.
Parang ibang game na lang dapat ah.
I need help with something important.
What is it?
I can't say it through the door.
Why not?
Because it's private. Just open up for a second. It's urgent.
Anong gagawin ko? Paano ko malalaman kung mali?
This is the worst thing that ever happened to me.
Ano to? Bubuksan ko ba? Wala naman akong cue.
Come on, bring it faster.
Bahala ka dyan. Buksan ko to.
Finally. What's the Wi-Fi password?
That's the important thing?
Yes! My video stopped right before the ending.
Fine, I'll get it. I think it's written on a piece of paper in my room.
Na-drop pa nga. Paano ko malalaman kung hindi ko ba dapat?
You are a hero. You saved my life.
Parang ang hirap naman nito sa solo. Wait, gagawin. Yung gagawin ko. Wala nang place na pala dun. Okay, so may kumatok ulit.
I know you're home. There's a party tonight. A party?
Yeah, you should come.
I don't think I can.
Come on. Don't be boring. Open up. I'll give you the address.
Paano bang tumanggi? Pwedeng tanggalin yung spider. Pag ganun yung pagtanggi. Ano yun? Bigyan. Yun ka.
You got any food in there? I haven't eaten in 2 days.
Oo. Yun nga natin to.
I'm hungry out here.
Hindi siya nakikita.
All right, friend. Enjoy your full belly.
Hindi siya nakikita eh. Ba't paano nagagawin eh? May kakatok lang ulit yun. No, may kakatok na. Pulis ba
My
yun?
dog jumped over your fence a minute ago. Can I go into your backyard and get him?
Ay? Since mukha naman siyang tao, pero baka masama kasi. Pasukin kaya natin.
Buddy, come here, boy.
Hindi itong gagawin sa totoong buhay ah. Pero pasukin ko kasi hindi naman mali kasi nakikita sa kakot.
Thanks. Got him. Thanks. He's usually way calmer than this.
Yun. Lahat ng mga hapon sa atin. At sarap ni Muga. 20 Robux pala yun.
I'm trying to find my daughter's house.
I don't think this is the right one.
Oh dear. Could you open up? I can't hear you so well through the door.
Bahala ka dyan. Parang nakakatakot ka eh. Ano ba yan?
All right, then if something bad happens to me, I'm haunting this house first.
Grabe naman. Parang nakakatakot kasi siya eh. Hindi kaya ko. Ano kung ano yun? Nilunod mo ko yun. Anong gagawin? Wala namang okay, sakto siya.
City maintenance. We started emergency water work on your street tonight.
Okay.
Your water's probably running brown by now.
Seriously?
Yeah, go check. I have a notice with the details if you can open the door.
Check na natin, baka scammer yan eh. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko yung box eh. Hindi ko na ito ma-check. Paano i-check ng tubig? Hindi ko na lang. Minsan yung tubig. Feeling ko, papasukan kaya natin.
Fine. Don't say we didn't warn you.
Tubig lang naman yan eh. Wag na ano. Pero ginawa na kaagad. Hindi ko kasi mabuksan yung tubig eh. Ganun. Paano ko nga iayusin yung ano yun? Ayun na naman tayo.
I'm here to fix the leaking bath faucet.
My parents didn't tell me about that.
I just go where the work order sends me. Open the door and I'll get it fixed real quick. It should only take a few minutes.
So, paparuban ko lang. Wala naman siguro.
Thank you. I'll be quick.
Bilis niya. Hindi minuto yun ah. Segundo lang ata yun.
Faucet should be good now.
Anong gagawin? Paano yung ganyan tanggal?
Good evening. Could I step inside for a moment?
Why?
I've been out in the cold for hours. May I use your kitchen to make myself a tea? Please, just invite me in.
Nako, bawal yan. Nakasong na yan eh. Pasukin kaya natin. Nasaan yung babysitter?
A shame. I only wanted a warm drink for the night.
malala, baka maandar yung napaka naman na yun.
Open the door, please. We're searching the neighborhood for an escaped prisoner. He was seen nearby about an hour ago.
What should I do?
Open the door. I need to check around your house to make sure he's not hiding here.
Criminal dito yung isa lang.
Stay calm. I'm just going to look around quickly.
Hindi palang ikon ito. Okay, so,
No one here.
yun.
Everything seems normal here. Nothing to report here.
Baka ano naman na ito? Sulbot.
Everything looks clear. Keep your doors locked tonight.
Baka daming jumpscare. Ba lahat na lang? Pag nag-i-interact eh. Hindi ko pagkatapos na ito. Para sa inyo sanity, paano ko yung ayusin?
We have math homework due tomorrow. I'm 7. Can you open the door so we can compare what we have?
Pwede to, kaibigan ko naman ito eh. Tara na.
Thanks. I got 34.
I got 67.
Great. One of us is very wrong. Okay. I'll redo it and text you the answer.
Okay na lang, huwag ka na umalis. Ano ba naman yan ang hirap naman yan? Paano ko nga ayusin yung picture? Check mo na mo. Kung may jumpscare na naman dito eh. Okay siya, tapos na lahat. Para sa yung pera. Kahit di na kita papasukin.
Jess?
I'm not Jess.
Oh. Sorry. I'm lost.
Do you need help?
My phone died. Can I borrow yours?
Naka. Wala.
Oh, so now you're ignoring me?
Hindi ka makapaghintay ah. Hindi kita papapasukin sa ginagawa.
Why won't anyone help me?
Grabe yan. Oo yun. Pumalik. Ano na naman bumalik ka pat diyan ka pa umiyak. Kala ko pa naman kung ano. Tatabuyin ba kita?
Hello? Could I sit down for a minute?
Para sa...
Sorry to bother you. I'm not feeling great.
Are you okay?
I just got really dizzy. Could I rest in your bed for a few minutes?
Parang...
I'm sorry. My feet are killing me.
Hindi natin pinapasok yung isang minib. Yan. Sacrifice na.
Thank you so much.
My room is over there.
I really appreciate this.
Ganun lang ang basic ng linis. Bilis ko, ano? Bilis mo pahinga.
Thank you again. I feel a lot better now.
Ano yung tinapik mo lang? Ano ba ba? Baka may mag-jumpscare dyan. Paano kaya ano yung sa anitik mo? Baka matalo kapag nag-zero yan eh. O baka habang may nababad trip sa akin na hindi ko pinapapasok. Ganun lang din. Sobrang bilis.
We're tracking an escaped alien organism.
An alien?
It can imitate human behavior. Open the door. I need to ask you a few questions inside.
Na, yan lang.
I'm looking for something dangerous.
Ikaw ang danger. Nakita mo.
Fine. Stay alert tonight.
Alien. Grabe to. Okay, check natin. Ako?
Bro, I just need water. I'm making a protein shake. I forgot water at home. Can you bring me a glass of water real quick? Come on, man.
Ano ba siya?
I need it right now. Thanks, bro.
Kailangan kong buksan para magawa ko yung
Here.
Huge save. See you at the gym.
jump scare. Yan. Parang naglalaro lang naman siya. Lapitin ko ulit. Parang gusto niya lang malaro.
Hey, I'm your new neighbor. I thought I should come introduce myself.
It's kind of late.
Yeah, I got excited. Open up for a sec. I want to meet you properly. Don't worry, I don't bite.
May gagawa ko. Pasalubong kita niya.
Great first impression of the neighbor.
Napakaraming jumpscare ng game na to. Okay.
I'm home. You're okay. Thank God. You made it through the night. But I see you didn't earn enough allowance money. I know you tried your best. I'm not mad, but you know what this means. No reward this time. We'll try again tomorrow night.
You made it but do not collect and touch. So kailangan yun. Okay, so mga kabads, dito ka na muna siguro tatapusin yung gameplay natin ng Home Alone. At grabe, sobrang daming jumpscare na itong game na to. Hindi lang talaga ako nakakapagsalita kasi talagang hindi acting yun, talagang nakakagulat. Pati nga ito may jumpscare pa to eh. Pero syempre hindi na siya nakakagulat since na-jumpscare na tayo kanina. Grabe talaga yung jumpscare ng game na to, no? So, yun. Try natin tapusin natin yung lahat ng ending na yun. Kahit may secret ending pa yan, try natin tapusin. Kung mag-comment kayo na gusto nyo ng part 2 or maghanap lang ulit tayo ng ibang game. So, grabe talaga yung jumpscare ng game na to. Hindi nakakagulat pero buti na natapos natin. Feeling ko mga ending na ito, syempre isa natalo. Yung isa natapos lahat ng allowance, yung isa walang ginawa. Pero nanalo pero walang allowance, talagang hindi kulang. Hindi sobra, talagang wala. Wala tayong gagawin sa quest para hindi tayo magkapera. Isa naman matatapos natin para sobra or sakto yung pera. So ayun, enough na ang usapan. Bago natin tapusin, huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. At ayun, bye-bye and ingat!